Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Like Dinosaur. I like dinosaurs, all types of dinosaurs. I like angry dinosaurs. I like fast dinosaurs, spiky dinosaurs, huge dinosaurs, and I like dinosaurs with long necks. I like dinosaurs with long tails. I like purple dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs with short arms. I like friendly dinosaurs. I like green dinosaurs with twin dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs with horns. I like dinosaurs with faces that look like ducks. I like dinosaurs with long wings and feathers. I like dinosaurs with rocky backs. I like blue dinosaurs. I like all kinds of dinosaurs. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!